Are you planning to buy a new mixer? Watch this video before you buy one. Hi guys, welcome back to Sahana's World. In today's video, we will see the unboxing and honest review of a mixer by the brand Preethi. The box was delivered to me as shown here in its original packing without any outer packing, which is good. The mixer comes with the motor or the main body, one large jar with dome lid, a chutney jar with dome lid, 0.2 liters spice grinding jar, bottom assembly for food processor jar, which is also called as a Master Chef Plus jar, the Master Chef Plus jar itself, atta kneader blade, chopping blade, slicing blade, grating blade, citrus press, flexi lid, stirrer, instruction manual, customer care list and a guarantee card. Pros and cons. Pros. The mixer has a powerful 750 watt motor which is very good for heavy duty grinding. Best of all, this is a mixer and a food processor, yet the body is quite sleek, which makes it a wonderful addition to your kitchen counter. The bright orange light makes it look quite good while grinding. This model also comes with a bottom assembly for the Master Chef Plus jar, which again makes it easy to use and store compared to bulky food processors. The Master Chef Plus jar is a decent sized jar for chopping, grating, slicing, dough kneading, and all the blades can be conveniently stored inside the jar, which makes storage quite easy and takes very less space. The biggest pro of this mixer is the spice grinder jar, which I am totally in love with. The grinder jar lid comes with a built-in measuring cup to avoid overload. This jar is so handy for dry spice grinding and it is a fantastic addition to the mixer. The model comes with 3 steel jars and a flexi lid. These jars are quite versatile and are capable of handling all kinds of grinding like making idli dosa batters, chutneys, purees, spice grinding and dry powders, etc. You can convert the large jar into a smaller jar by using flexi lid, which fits on the mouth of the large jar quite well. This is not a paid promotion. All the views expressed here are my personal opinions and I was not paid to say anything about this product. Cons. The biggest con of this mixer is it's quite noisy and not so pleasant on your ear. The second con is this particular model does not come with a juicer. I did not want a juicer, so I went ahead with this model. You could have a look at their Zodiac model that comes with the juicer along with the same body of Xeon. But the spice grinder jar included in this model is not included in any other models of Preethi mixer. And sometimes the juices may trickle out from the lid. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.